Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from UsdFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday, the 15th of May, 2021. And this is the weekly technical analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the third week of May. Let's begin with spot gold. And after a bullish breakthrough the previous Friday with poor US non-farm payroll data, it's basically consolidated for the week as it actually pulled back to the 50-pip area, where it started from, and especially on the Wednesday where it gave up against the US dollar with better than expected US CPI data, but managed to climb back up and close bullish on Friday as the US retail sales figures came out worse than expected. So now it's back up to the highs, near the highs of the week, and there could be some bullish follow through for this week, for this coming week. And it needs to break through the 1850. And there is some resistance up here as well. That's near the 1873, 1874 area. Right, if it does drop back down, there is support from the 50-pip area at the 1818. So we'll see if it does provide support, or if it goes a bit deeper. There's definitely strong support at the 1800 area. So let's see whether next week there could be a breakout above the 1850 towards the 1874, perhaps even 1875 area, midway towards the 1900. There are quite a number of news with FOMC meeting minutes, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and on Friday, flash manufacturing and services PMIs, as with all the rest of the economies. Let's also take a look at the US dollar index and to see how that perform in inverse correlation to spot gold as well. And at the start of the week, it dipped lower towards the 90 area and managed to bounce from there. Did not hit the 162 fib extension. Climbed through the 138 fib extension, but then that was on the Wednesday with the better than expected CPI figure, but then gave it all back on, almost all of it back on Friday with poor retail sales figures. So it's attempting to hang on, see whether it's able to find support and climb back up above the 138 fib extension with a higher low. So it could be a critical week next week for the US dollar as it hits towards the 4th week of May. So it has a couple of weeks to try to recover. And this area is going to be a critical area of support here between the 90 and the 89, 84, where the 162 fib is. So for now, it's trying to stay afloat. Let's move on to dollar yen. And dollar yen managed to stay above support, above the daily 55 EMA, and broke through the previous week's, almost retested the previous week's highs with a strong move on the Wednesday. That was the better than expected US CPI figure, but with the poor retail sales figures, it did not give back a lot. So still managed to find support at the 21 FIB area. So that's good news for the dollar yen, where it's did not drop too far on the Friday and hanging on above 109. So it needs to attempt to retest and retake the 110 area. There's definitely some strong support as it's staying above 109 here. All right. There seems to be a possible bullish channel forming. I'm not sure whether it's going to be a channel, but there's definitely a lower trend line support. If we do add a channel, that's that may support the attempt to break up higher, but that's yet to be seen. So for now, we'll leave that lower trend line as support, and we'll see how it goes for next week with the US dollar index. All right. So do check out my other videos on the other major pairs and Ichimoku analysis. Have a safe week and a good trading week, and cheers for now.